Yo!
Where's the lighter?
Here. Come. No, shit! No, can you do it again though? Do it again? Again. Please, again.
Yeah, you can. Why did you not record?
Do you think I know someone's gonna fucking propose in the middle of all these?
He's sitting on top of a table. What do you think?
Never bought her a lottery ticket so she could stop talking in the back seat. It seems to work, eh?
It is working.
For like a minute.
Oh my god!
Wait, how am I gonna...
This is the thumbnail.
No, I'm not gonna win. I already know how these work.
Imagine being this.
Yeah, no shit. I know how this works. I'm not gonna win. Well, why did you buy it in the first place, huh?
Shut up, but little does he know that this will last 2 seconds and I'll be nagging him again.
Bro, she didn't win jack shit.
You didn't win anything?
No.
You kind of just wasted your money. The joke was on you.
I don't even think she knows how to play that.
Lucky numbers. 1? None of them is a 1.
Tariq, you'll never be a winner, buddy.
Oh god.
This shit's only normal in Canada. Shut the fuck up.
Oh god. She's scanning it. Oh look, it says you wasted your fucking time.
This means I'm gonna nag you more.
We have a wobbly tire while we're on the highway, so Rozan's just playing with it in the back. You make Tariq, make a sound. No, you can't do it like that. You sound like fucking.
It's gone.
It's gone.
You try. He's not happy. It's his car, so it makes sense.
Are you okay?
Suck myself.
What?
Are you okay?
Get your ass back to your seat.
What is this?
No idea. Just put it on.
Is this lip injections?
No idea what. Wait, what?
How? It's a.
What am I injecting my lip with?
No, it's not.
Yeah, there's no needle or anything.
There's
So.
needles inside this.
No, put it on.
No way.
Wait,
Oh,
that mean I
don't, bro, don't.
No.
Bro, it's gonna hurt so bad.
No, it's not.
Bro, make the girls do it first.
I fucking put this on the hole right there. It's what calmed me down.
Okay, see, that's nothing.
Bro, it's gonna hurt you.
Okay, now you put more. Put on the top part.
Oh, it's burning me already.
Burning you? What is this? Why are you making that face?
I just indirectly kissed Rozan.
It inflates.
Fuck.
You hear what he said? He kissed Rozan.
He kissed his queen.
Oh my god.
Nigga, the only thing you kissed is the tip of my dick.
Is it numbing?
Yeah. My thumbnail is numb.
They're getting bigger. His lips are supposed to get bigger with this.
Oh!
Wait, what?
Holy shit! His lips are getting bigger.
What the fuck? Let me see.
Your bottom lip is fucking fat now.
Yeah.
Wanna suck some dick? I mean,
Nigga,
bro, I look beautiful. Oh my god.
Oh my god, they're turning so red.
I know. What the fuck is going on? Yo, I look like a queen right now.
On your
Holy
lip.
shit. What the fuck?
Come on, put it on. You
Stand up properly.
Fuck that.
Hold on. I swear to God, Rocky, this is 2 out of 3. You fucking lose, you're putting it on. No, you put it on? 2 out of 3. 2 out of 3.
Miladq.
Okay, Miladq.
No.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll rock, paper, scissors for who has to do it.
Whoever
Rock,
wins.
paper, scissors. I win.
Alright, enough.
That's it?
God, this is so weird kissing everyone in this car.
The only people who didn't kiss is you and I.
Okay, I feel it.
You feel it?
Yeah.
How does it feel?
Are your lips thick yet?
Boy, I'm about to be the best dick
Feels
sucker
like
ever.
a wasp stung my fucking face. My lips just cover half of my
Yours are
face.
getting red. Yours are getting red.
Oh, Nur's bottom lip is fat.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Why are you about to suck this dick really good? Oh my goodness.
He got a big mouth too.
Have this on and suck your dick, like your dick would burn.
I feel like you're.
Oh, I heard about this.
Bro,
People,
your dick would
that
grow.
was a viral tweet,
I
right?
know what to do.
Yeah.
Literally just put it on my dick. It becomes bigger.
Oh wait, does your dick get bigger too?
Oh, shit.
We all get bigger together.
Where's this conversation going? I just wanted to see some big lips. Can you guys kiss for the thumbnail?
No.
Oh, that's too gay.
You kind of already sucked.
I'm down.
Wait, what?
What the fuck is happening?
Has a lighter?
I'll tell you what's happening. We're about to light up the fucking forest.
What is happening? My guy, from afar, it looks like you guys are about to fucking murder someone here. It's Abdullah's birthday, so we decided to come to a forest, so I don't actually know what's happening.
It's a couple of dumb Americans going camping in a suicide forest.
Seriously, where the fuck are we?
Bro, it looks like we're about to bury a dead body.
What's happening? What's happening? What's happening?
Are we lighting it?
Where the fuck is it going? Where's it going, bro? Oh shit!
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Take a photo! Take a photo! It's gonna go right in your asshole.
You guys shooting yourselves? You guys shooting yourselves? Okay, winner gets $100. I bet Nur. I bet Nur.
We need to know how strong they are.
Yeah, bro. I don't want it to be super strong.
Shut up, pussy. Just take the fireworks.
Each other's in the asshole.
You'd like that.
I would not.
Okay, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna start the first annual firework fight.
Fireworks.
And once this turns off, you fight.
So how do you win?
So when do we get
You don't
You win?
By not living.
Wait. All right, gentlemen, you guys are gonna die today. You're gonna die for your country. Go, 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 go.
Mine didn't lie! Mine didn't fucking lie!
Oh shit!
Oh shit! Tariq found! Tariq found! Oh shit! Yo, who's this on the floor? Yo! Where's the lighter? Here. Oh shit! Are they fighting?
Shoot at him!
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh my god! Oh my god! Yo! Jamili's crazy! Jamili's crazy! Oh! I'm hiding behind a fucking post!
No, you're different!
Oh my god! What is that? Yo! Grenade! What is happening? What happened? Yo! I just shit myself. Did you run away?
Yeah.
My guy, I looked at it and the fucking flame is going like this in my eye.
I was running away from Nabih's and it went like this. I saw my life fucking flat. I just stopped.
And he's running towards it like
I'm running away from Tariq. Everyone's shooting at me.
Tariq was shooting at you.
Bro, save that video!
literally shot at me.
Did you get hit?
Almost.
I saw someone almost get hit.
Me!
Oh, was that Zaid shooting at you?
You shot at me.
I was like, oh, that one's kind of far away.
And then you got
I felt like I had so much power in my hand. Like I literally.
That's why I got so excited.
There's a car coming. Running away from Tariq.
Well, wait until it goes.
It's the cop stuff. Yo, that's a cop car.
Yo, let's get out of here. Guys, we're getting out of here.
Let's go.
Let's get in the fucking car! Everyone's was on the lighter and everyone's was getting lit and mine wasn't. I guess I just had to stay there for like one more second and was gonna like light. All of those people are like standing in a circle, putting it this way. All of them are projected towards me. I swear to God, one of them had to go up and I'm dead.
I think someone should get hurt for the
I
video.
feel like you should put one up your ass.
Oh, I'll give you 20 bucks.
If I do that,
Yeah.
how poor do you think I am?
But this is the first time you're gonna get some money that's not daddy's.